What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Edge Wallet. So just some disclaimer here, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly buy crypto here from, or in this case in your Edge wallet. Well, it's actually pretty easy. So first is first is want to go ahead and open up the Edge wallet here, and you want to go and go to the very bottom here. You should see the buy button. Let's go and press on it. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to select your region. So click on select your region and just search for your region here. So in this case, it's going to choose Philippines. Now from here, depending on your region, you may have the following options here to pay for your crypto. So you have the PayPal option, Google Pay option, and credit and debit card option. So in this case, go and choose one that you want to use. So for example, you go and choose the credit and debit card option. Now it should start fetching the assets here that you buy. Now from here you can buy BTC, BCH, ETH, and LTC. So as an example, maybe let's go and choose ETH here. Now from here, you want to go just specify the amount that you want to spend on buying your ETH and also how much ETH actually is worth right now. Now you could also specify where to buy or which provider you want to buy from. So you could go and click on your provider here and choose one if you want. But automatically it's going to give you the best deal, so you'll be able to get the max amount that you could get from that price that you've indicated before. But in this case, I'm going to choose Banksa here. And once you're sure, just click on next here. And from here, it's going to say allow Edge to take pictures and record video. Let's go and click on while using the app. And from here, it should redirect you to the buy window. Now from here, it should open up the Banksa website here, which in this case what you need to do is you just need to verify your identity and just proceed with the payment method. Now depending on the provider that you've chosen, each of their requirements may be different. So for Banksa, you need to provide your country of residence, email address, and state and territory here, and also you need to provide some proof of identification here. So right now, if you're trying to buy crypto everywhere, you'll need to provide some form of dedication here. But yeah, so go and just proceed with the payment process. Or sorry, in this case, you want to go and proceed with the verification process and payment process here. And once you've done that, you should now receive your crypto in your Edge wallet. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.